These days, LED displays are everywhere, and their colorful ads very hard to miss. However, some of these displays are now going beyond their traditional boundaries and becoming true pieces of art. At the center of this new trend, LG's outdoor LED products are paving the way. Installed on the second floor, the LSCB series, also known as the Ultra Slim series, comes with UHD resolution and a slim light cabinet for easy installation and front access. A 90-degree corner option is also available, where two screens come together to form a smooth, seamless connection at the corner. These distinct features render 3D images to be very immersive, especially when paired with anamorphic contents. Next, we have the revolutionary LG transparent LED film. With a 14mm pixel pitch, you can now see sharper images from a closer distance, and the transparency allows vivid colors without hindering the view of what's behind. You can install it on flat surfaces or curved surfaces up to 2000 radius, and you can also expand it as much as you like. It's truly a game changer when it comes to displays and space design. In addition, this unique film can turn buildings and other structures into beautiful artistic media facades. We've just highlighted some of LG's latest innovations that will transform outdoor spaces. Hopefully this was inspiring and has given you some ideas for your business.